In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a template in Microsoft OneNote. If you've ever wanted your notes to start with a polished layout, maybe a to-do list, a meeting agenda, or a clean blank style, templates make that effortless. We'll use the Windows desktop app of OneNote and apply a template to a brand new page so you can jump straight into content without fiddling with formatting. First, open OneNote on your Windows PC and head to the section where you want the new page to live. Picking the section first helps keep your notebook organized, since the new page will be created right there. Now look to the ribbon at the top and click the Insert tab. In that tab, select Page Templates. This opens the Templates pane on the right side of your screen. If you don't see it immediately, give it a second, or make sure the OneNote window isn't minimized. Sometimes the pane can be tucked to the side. In the Templates pane, you'll see categories you can expand, such as decorative or blank and simple. Expand a category to browse the available designs. Each template includes preset formatting, think headings, placeholders, and sometimes a specific page size or background, so you can get to work faster without recreating the same layout over and over. Click the name of a template you want to use. The moment you do, OneNote creates a new page using that layout in the section you selected. Don't start typing just yet. This is the perfect time to preview a few options. You can click different templates to change your choice before you add any content, and OneNote will switch the layout as you select them. It's an easy way to compare styles without cluttering your notebook with extra pages. When you've found the template that fits your needs, close the Templates pane to give yourself more space. Now you can start adding your content. If you pick the wrong layout by accident and haven't typed anything, you can simply choose another template, and if you need to back up, Ctrl+Z will undo your last action. A quick tip: templates are especially helpful for recurring note types, like weekly plans or project check-ins, so you establish consistency across pages. If you've previously saved custom templates, they appear in the same pane alongside the built-in categories, and you can apply them the exact same way. That's it. You've just applied a template to a new OneNote page, the quick and reliable way.